Today is the first day of autumn in Spain, and Benidorm is already changing. This is 22nd of September. Spain officially enters in autumn. It's not summer any longer. Although calendar summer ended already almost a month ago, but here in Spain, autumn started 22nd of September, which is today. And we can already see quite a lot of changes. First of all, the beach is not as crowded as it used to be. Way more people are sitting here on the terrace because the sun is not as aggressive any longer. Plenty of offers here, 2 cocktails for 14 euros. That's all right, I guess. It's 7 euros for a cocktail. I wouldn't call it an offer, honestly, because this is what cocktails usually cost. But the Wild Duck is definitely a nice place, and you will start seeing way more people on the sunshine on the terraces from now onwards. Simply because it is a whole lot when people are just happy sitting on the terraces, grabbing some drinks. And that is because the sun is very nice already. Previously, when you were staying on the sunshine, literally we were burning like chicken wings, like roast chicken. But nowadays, it's not the case. The sun is pleasant, it is warm, it's ideal to enjoy it. And that is why there's quite a lot of people here on the beach enjoying some rays of sunshine. It is around 6-ish. No, it's around 5:30 more or less in the evening. And this is the atmosphere. Plenty of people here on the beach still, although it's not as crowded as it usually is. And it is Monday, you guys. It is Monday right now. It's the same day you'll be seeing this video. And everyone are here. Everyone are enjoying, just making their best from their holidays here while it is still so pleasant and warm to be outside. Ooh. Right there in front, we can see some boats picking up people who are doing the cable ski. We can even see Alicante from here, which usually is possible on a good sunny day like this without barely any kind of clouds. We are able to see Alicante and the Santa Barbara Castle from Benidorm town and all the surrounding areas, San Juan Beach, Campello, etc. The typical bars here nearby and restaurants and cafeterias are not too busy though. All people are here enjoying the lovely day. Jet ski rentals, the cable ski, the parasailing, all these types of activities are still available for you guys. But honestly, the best part is that you can go to the beach whenever you want and it's not going to be overcrowded. This is why it's worth coming right now in September on holidays. People are enjoying on the sunshine, getting vitamin D, still getting some tan, but at the same time, not burning themselves any longer and not getting the heat stroke. This is one of the most important parts and one of the biggest changes here right now. The hotels still have quite a high occupancy. However, some of them start to have around 70-80%. No fully booked as it previously was. And it is understandable. I mean, not a lot of families do travel, especially with kids having the school season on already. There's way less families who are coming here with kids. Mostly couples, solo travelers, people without kids of a school age are arriving right now to Benidorm town. It is so pleasant to be outside, but we do feel one biggest change is that in the morning, starting from today, exactly today, the day when the autumn officially kicks in here in Spain, today was the first morning when it was actually real chilly in the morning. I think it was just 20 degrees, more or less, 19, 20 degrees outside. Early in the morning, we're speaking like 7:30, 8 a.m. And starting from then, we've had 26, 27 today, which was still all right. It was still nice. And as you can see, the beach still looks quite busy in many of the areas. So it's not that it's cold, but mornings and night times are slightly more chilly. And you can feel it perfectly once you're here on holidays. No more families with kids, mostly adults here of all different types of ages or small kids, those who don't go to school. Just some tourists who are coming right now, but we all know that obviously it is cheaper to come now on holidays and the weather is still incredible. It is amazing. So it is logical that some people, as we've seen sometimes in the news, are going willingly right now on holidays and missing the first or second week of school, even though they have to pay a small fine for it. But they go for it because holidays are slightly cheaper, it is less crowded, less busy, and at the same time, it is nice outside. It is still very, very nice and pleasant. So that's what a lot of people are actually doing right now. Big changes overall inside of the city, quite a lot of renewals, refurbishments, painting, different types of road works will start to be done now and finished hopefully before the Benidorm holidays in November, before Christmas, and preparing the city once again to the next already peak summer season. Even so, great time, one of the best times of the year, honestly, to arrive here for your holidays. I know Mallorca is full. There are so many families with kids in Mallorca and Balearic Islands. Let us know if you are in any other destination here apart from Benidorm in Spain and what you could have seen, or maybe previous years, but here at least, look at all these people. Everyone are sitting facing directly the sunshine. Look at even the doggios are enjoying. Even the dogs, our family members, fluffy family members, how we call them, even themselves are enjoying some nice sunshine. There is no risk as per se of getting, like the sunstroke, getting this sun heat, simply because it's not as hot anymore. It is nice and pleasant. People are doing cable ski. There's a light breeze. And by the way, the breeze, when the wind blows, it's not as hot anymore. It is actually quite cool and chilly. So that's the biggest thing that's happening right now on the first day of autumn. From now onwards, we will have the fancy dress party. We'll have November celebrations in Benidorm, which are the city's celebration, the name of Benidorm. We'll have the Christmas fair afterwards from the beginning of December. We'll have the parades, the Three Kings Day. It's going to be busy on weekends mostly. Mondays to Thursdays are going to be slightly quieter. But it will never, ever be empty as it is. Never. Benidorm never sleeps, never stops. There's always movement amongst locals and tourists. The Chiringuito Beach Terrace packed up as usual. We've tried this place actually here on the channel. We've tried their breakfast. I've gotten some Benedict eggs. We've gotten some sandwich and something else. Not remember what it is, but we've gotten quite a lot of things there and it was delicious. It was really good, especially the eggs, the sauce. Oh, it was incredible. Love that place, and a lot of people love it too. That's why it's so busy. Stars are actually really packed up today, the terrace. Not sure if they did something. Maybe they've did some marketing or something else, but it was really empty all this time. But all of a sudden, it is very busy today on the terrace, which is a atypical thing to see. This particular part of...
Hi.
Hola.
Benidorm is very good, very hot.
Sí. Thank you.
Very hot. See, very hot. Well, it's 26 degrees maybe? 26? And see, that's the thing. When people are coming from outside, 26 degrees are like peak summer. That's like really hot for a lot of people. And that is the best part of it. For us locals, it's not. For us, it's perfect. But those who are coming from cooler countries, this is an absolute paradise. The golden sand, very clean beach, not too deep at all. So you're able to swim nicely. There's no big waves still. No storms. These storms ditched us. They went north Spain and towards Mallorca. Oh, by the way, in Barcelona, they've had such huge and terrible flooding there. There's even a family, a father with his son who sadly lost their lives due to these floods. All this could have gone here to Benidorm, but instead it went north, and all of this rain just poured near Barcelona in Catalonia. But we're so lucky this just passed us, honestly. We're lucky because in this area there's a special microclimate. We're protected by the mountains, by the sea, and it rarely rains this way. So we couldn't be luckier being here in the gorgeous city of Benidorm, the city of skyscrapers, where all the boats are here still, all the water tourism is here, all the attractions, all the excursions, everything is available for you guys. Even right now, when we are officially in autumn in Benidorm town. This is autumn, you guys. This is it. Perfect time, even now, to come here on holidays. Let us know if you're coming here shortly. I know quite a lot of our subscribers will. And what's your favorite time of the year to come on holidays to our lovely and sunny city? Either it's peak season or maybe slightly outside of it, as right now. We'll see you in a brand new video tomorrow here on the channel Benidorm by Anna. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.